The biggest problem many aspiring entrepreneurs are facing today is that the current economy makes it more difficult than ever to come up with the capital needed to either start a business or to keep it functioning at a substantial profit. Wilson Global has the solution. The solution to the problem of getting the money you need for your business is to establish corporate credit. Wilson Global understands that when a business is in its infant stages, every dollar is critically needed. And with corporate credit, you will have the option to borrow the money you need for your business now and pay the bill later. And we'll show you exactly how to do this in as little as 45 days. We will show you how to obtain the highest business credit score so you will qualify for the largest amount of money in the fastest time possible. We will also show you how to protect your assets after you have acquired them. Don't let the economy keep you from living the life that you were created to live. This is the opportunity that you've been waiting for. Do not procrastinate. Now is your time. Call us now. Wilson Global. Your success starts here.